Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're already part of this family, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Tejaswini. Here I share simple yet tasty recipes mostly done within 20 minutes. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a mouth-watering chicken stew. So let me not make you guys wait. Let's get started. In a pressure cooker, I'm taking 300 grams of curry cut chicken, 1 big peeled potato to get that thickness for the stew, natural starch, 2 sliced onions, 4 slit green chillies, 4 cloves of chopped garlic. To that I'm adding roughly chopped ginger, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding 300 ml of thin coconut milk, say that is second or third batch. Give it a mix. I have also shared the similar potato stew recipe. I'm gonna link the detailed video here also in the description box for you guys. Please check it out. Pressure cook this for 5 whistles. Okay, looks like it's done. Oof, so excited to open up. And fantastic. If it's curdled like this, do not worry, it's all the chicken fat, so chill. Now I'm adding a cup of thick coconut milk and mix. And wow, the chicken is beautifully cooked. Bring it to a boil or two and it's done. So easy and quick. And my friends, do yourself a favor, make some hot steamed rice and enjoy this amazing stew. Share your pictures with us on Instagram and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel if you try and like it. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!